working with a die set from Maker's Movement that is called a donut box and gift card box set. And so what I have in front of me here are a few of the die pieces. So I have a little gift tag die, I have the box die, and then I have the insert to the box die that will hold your gift card. So I just want to share a little tip with you. What I've done here is this is the bottom of the box, and the gift card holder is to sit in the center of the bottom of the box. So what I've done is I've measured the opening, and on the back of my die, because I want it, you know, to cut the cardstock, I have marked with a little permanent magic marker where the center is. And I've done the same on this die, marked where the center is. So now I can line up those marks and know that that's going to cut in that space perfectly. So I just want to line those guys up, and I am going to tape that in place. Now you'll notice that this one is a little bit larger than the box itself, and so let's tape it in place and give it a go, see if it'll work for us this way. If not, we'll have to cut a separate piece to go on the inside. So after you have cut out your die, the next thing to do is to fold on all of your scored lines, and I have done that already. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to do is insert a piece of vellum that I have cut, and I found that 3.5 by 2 1/4 will fit right inside there. Now I'm using vellum as opposed to plastic because I want it to be a little bit of a mystery as to what's inside. So now I'm just going to go around the box with some double stick tape that's 1/4 inch and stick that down here. And this will hold the vellum in place, and you want to do this before you glue the box together. Now here's a tip I find that works really well, is to use a straight pin to peel the top layer off of your double-sided tape. I'm just going to go around and grab all 4 pieces. And then rest my vellum right inside there. Alright, now it's time to fold everything up, and since I have my tape out, I am just going to use that on all of these corners here. And now you just need to fold to the inside and line those edges up. and let the tape hold it in place. Alright, so there, our box goes together like so. You just tuck in all the tabs, make sure it all fits before you go any further. And that's what it's going to look like. Alright, so then our next thing to do here is to place in our gift card. And you can do that beforehand or after, but that's how it sits inside there, and that's a really nice tight fit. Alright, and then I'm going to fold this down, and then to finish it off, I am going to wrap it in baker's twine in blue and white. Let me just grab a long piece here. So what I want to do is wrap it this way, then go underneath it, change direction, wrap it this way a couple times, so it looks like I did it 3 times. Alright, then I'm going to snip that off. Now I'm going to tie this in place. And just cut these ends off. And then I've made a bow out of some satin ribbon, and I'm going to glue that right on top there. Just for this demonstration, I'm just going to use a little bit of double stick tape, but I think hot glue would work best for this. Alright, and then I have my tag. Now I didn't want to forget about this tag, but what I'm going to do here is I am going to cut out a little bit of sticker and put this on here, and I can't remember which one I decided fit really well. You know, a couple of them could. I'm going to go with You Go. Alright, so I have printed these out on my inkjet printer on sticker paper, and I am just using the black on white, but you could, I also have them here in the reverse, which is black background with white. So let's make sure that fits on there pretty well. That looks great. I'm going to use my needle to pry my sticker apart. And place that right on my tag. And then I am going to slip it through the twine and give it one more knot to hold that in place under the bow. So there, perfect little gift card, gift box. Birthday presents, graduations, whatever works. Now, if you don't like this gap right here, you could put the flaps to your outside of your box. So either way works great.